So you got a JB4 and you're wondering what all the different maps are. So you're gonna go to settings, you're gonna click maps, and you see all the different maps. So I'm gonna explain what they are and what the differences are between the maps. So you've got map 0, that's gonna be your default map. So that's gonna be, it's fully disabled, it's just a stock car. You've got map 1, this is going to be 91 octane. You can run less, but it's not recommended. So this is kind of suitable for all fuels. It's plus 3 PSI over stock. You've got map 2. Map 2 is going to be plus 4 PSI over stock at peak, and that's 93 octane. You've got your map 3, that's recommended for E30, or if you're in a higher elevation area, that's gonna be plus 6 PSI over stock. Map 4 is plus 7 PSI over stock with a boost taper, and is recommended for E30 and bolt-ons. Then you've got map 5, this is gonna be for full bolt-ons, E30, and is plus 7 over stock, and it's going to be no boost taper. So the boost isn't going to taper down to a lower boost, at least for most people. Again, every area you're in, these settings may not work perfect for you because of your elevation. You might be at sea level, below sea level, above sea level, which is going to change things. Map 8 isn't used, and then map 7 is if you're using water methanol setup. And then of course you've got map 6, and map 6 is your custom mapping. So of course you can, with the JB4, the cool thing about it is you can build a custom map and get everything set up for yourself, and it's pretty easy to do. And I'm going to show you how to do that in another video.